This is the color orange. And do you know what this is? It's a hammer. This is a hammer, and it's the colors orange and gray. And you know what, friends? If you turn the hammer this way, it has the shape of a circle. A circle goes round and round, round and round. And we use a hammer to fix things or to hammer things in, like a nail. We take the hammer and we go bang, bang, bang. Pretty cool. Construction workers use hammers too. Oh, look, friends. Miss Isabel has a construction vest. Let's pretend to be construction workers and fix things. Yes, I'm putting the vest on. Can you say on? On. Oh boy, I'm so excited to be a construction worker, but I feel like I'm missing something. Construction workers use tools, and they also use a hard hat. I need a hard hat. I got the hard hat. Now I should put this yellow hard hat onto my head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, I'm like a real construction worker. Whoa, I love this. I have an orange vest and a yellow construction hat because safety is always very, very important. And would you look at Miss Isabel's construction vest? There's also the colors black and orange, and there's even the color gray, like an elephant. Wow, now I'm ready to work, but what should I work on? Should I hammer things in? Yes, this is a hammer, and this is a hammer too. Which hammer should I use? Should I use the orange and gray hammer, or should I use the red and wooden hammer? I think I'm going to use the red and the wooden hammer. And I have a little toy that I'm gonna need your help to hammer. Let's hammer our colorful logs. We have the colors yellow and red and purple. I'm gonna start by hammering the color yellow, just like my hard hat and Mr. Golden Sun. Bang, bang, bang! Should I do the purple or the red one next? I'll do the red since we practiced the color red today. Awesome! Yeah! And now for the last two, the color purple. Bang, 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 bang! Awesome! We hammered all of our little logs. And did you know that sometimes construction workers drive really big trucks called excavators? Whoa! This is my excavator, and my excavator is the colors yellow and black. Black. Black starts with the letter B. Can you say B? Awesome! The tires are the color black, and the tires are also the shape of a circle. They go round and round. Excavators are really awesome trucks because they can dig things up and scoop and dig. An idea. Why don't you help Miss Isabel to dig some things up with my excavator? Yes? Say dig. Dig. And Miss Isabel will take something out that we can dig in together. Dig. I have a bin filled with rice. It's not cooked rice. It's still raw, so we can't eat it. But we can play with it today. And what are those in my bin? I have a little shape, And you know what shape this is? This shape is a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Hexagon. This is a hexagon, and it's the color blue. This is a blue hexagon. Let's count how many sides our hexagon has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. What do you say we use our excavator to try to pick up our hexagon? Here we go. We're scooping it up. We got it. Whoa! It fell back in. Let's scoop it again. We got it. We got the blue hexagon. Let's take it out. Bye, Mr. Blue Hexagon. It was so nice meeting you today. Let's pour the rice back in. Whoa! This is called scooping. This is how we scoop. And this is how we pour. Pour. Scoop. Pour. Wow. Scoop. Pour. I love doing that. Let's try to scoop that shape in the back. Oh, we missed it. Let's try it again. Oh, we missed it again. We got it, friends. Oh, and it fell. Let's try it again. We got it. I think we got it for good. See it? Let's see what color that is. It's the color orange. This shape is the color orange. And it's also a triangle. Can you say triangle? Wow, a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Wow. This orange triangle was inside of our rice bin, and it was pretty hard to try to scoop with the excavator, wasn't it? It was. Well, this little triangle is best friends with Mr. Square. Triangle, square. Red square, orange triangle. Wow. Well, since we're all done playing with our excavator, Miss Isabel's gonna take my hard hat off. A square has 4 sides. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Thank you so much for learning with me today, friends. You make learning so much fun because you are so smart. I'll see you in my next video, friends. Bye!